We are now at the dawn of a major evolution in the world of drums. With my team, we have developed a brand new type of product that will change things. I'm proud to present you Senspad, the first wireless and scalable connected drum pad. Connect Senspad on your smartphone, tablet or computer and start playing without constraint. You will be able to practice, follow and share your progression on the drums. Upgrade instantly your acoustic drum kit into a connected one. Set up your own transportable drum kit by adding several pads and use Sensrock sensors to also play with your feet without any wires and any power outlet. Enjoy all the features of a high-end electronic drum module directly into your smartphone thanks to our app. The comfort of playing, the precision, the latency and the easiness of usage has been our priorities. Our system is hybrid. You can therefore use it in wireless mode or, if you prefer, in wired mode. The pad is very light, resistant and offers 3 areas of strikes that you can of course edit. Senspad generates MIDI signals and displays an autonomy more than 12 hours of play without having to recharge it. Senspad is the second product we are launching on Kickstarter 2 years after the success of Sensrock. Your support and ideas will help us to offer the best product possible. So be the first in the world to take advantage of this revolution and be actors of change. Thanks everybody, and keep on drumming!